Now, are you aware that your experience of life is a reflection of your true nature? I mean, it's true. Now, the more widely known law of attraction, it explains how your thoughts track your outcomes. But the law of mirroring is more focused on how observing your life allows you to understand who you really are. And in just a few moments, I'm going to show you how to use this law to have the life that you truly want. So stay tuned. Now, if this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now, you may have been in a situation where you met someone and then something about their personality made you feel uncomfortable. You know, sometimes these people can even make you feel like angry or frustration or some other negative emotions. Well, there is a widely held belief in the personal growth community that a person's ability to see positive or negative traits in somebody else indicates that they too possess the same traits. Now, I know, wait a second, you think I'm saying that if you're perturbed by a self-important coworker who refuses to help other people, does that mean that you too possess a similarly selfish streak? Well, according to the law of mirroring, it does. But that doesn't mean that the selfish streak embodies you or that you're destined to be a selfish person. All it simply means is that you have the capacity for it and that you can choose to either feed it or starve it. Now, as author Debbie Ford says, she says that we only see that which we are. I like to think of it in terms of energy. So imagine having 100 different electrical outlets on your chest. Now, each outlet represents a different quality. Now, the qualities that we acknowledge and that we embrace have cover plates over them, so they're safe. No electricity runs through them. But the qualities that are not okay with us, the ones that we have yet to own, do have a charge. So that when somebody else comes along who acts out one of those qualities, they plug straight into us. So once you begin observing the law of mirroring, you gain a priceless insight into your personal strengths and your personal weaknesses. You know, why did you get that job? Why did that person stop talking to you? You know, why are you experiencing the same problem over and over again? You know, why are you more financially successful than most of your friends? Or why do you keep getting sick? You know, internalizing scenarios like this can really help you to build on your strengths and then address your weaknesses so you get more of what you want out of life and less of what you don't want. So the law of mirroring actually empowers you to transcend the disempowering idea that life is unfair, because, you know, it's not. And once you start seeing life as a reflection of you rather than something that's happening to you, you stop blaming other people and circumstances for your misfortunes. And then instead, whenever something doesn't go your way, you can just simply ask yourself, how am I contributing to this scenario? And what can I do to change it? Honestly, it is truly liberating once you start taking responsibility for the good and the bad in your life. Now, some people, when they start doing this, they report getting really intense feelings of guilt and shame once they start observing the law of mirroring. But you can avoid this trap when you simply make a conscious choice to observe your life and then to respond to it with compassion, not just towards others, but towards yourself as well. So instead of seeing situations and circumstances as punishments, see them as opportunities to grow, because that's exactly what they are. And then instead of beating yourself up over your weaknesses, focus on learning from them. And then on top of that, express gratitude that your shadow self is showing this to you. Now, the clarity that you gain from this is absolutely priceless. Now, the law of mirroring reflects your true self to you in response to how you are showing up in the present moment. And this reflection has little bearing on how you choose to show up in the future. Now, so if you don't like something, if you don't like someone, you can still release it. You know, if you're not happy with the path that you're on, you can still get off it. And in that sense, the law of mirroring can act as an early warning system. giving you real-time feedback on how you're really doing in life. And you can make the changes that you need to in order to get to where you want to be. So good luck, and may the law of mirroring serve as a gateway to the best you and the best life for you. My name is Natalie Ledwell, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Now remember to comment below with your perspective on the law of mirroring, and subscribe to the Mind Movers YouTube channel for more videos on personal growth and the law of attraction. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.